Welcome to Hindi Urdu Learning Station. Today we will discuss about postpositions in Hindi and Urdu. Hindi-Urdu postposition works the same diverse functions that prepositions in English. Why we call it postposition? Because it comes after nouns. For example, India's, Bharat ka, Hindustan ka, your ring, आपकी अंगूठी. Type of postpositions. So there are two types of postposition. Some postpositions are only one word, so they are simple postposition. Other consist of more than one word, so they are compound postposition. And always remember, all marked nouns, adjectives and pronouns preceding a postposition must be in oblique form. In this chapter, we will discuss about ka, ki, ke. So, first, ka, ki, ke, it shows relationship between two nouns. For example, Almira's key, Almari ki chabi. Chabi is feminine, so postposition is reflecting according to chabi. Here, both nouns are feminine nouns. Almari, feminine, chabi, feminine. Doors of the house. Ghar ke darwaze. Here both nouns are masculine and you can see doors is masculine form. So darwaza will become darwaze. Girl's bag. Ladki ka jhola. Here girl, ladki is feminine and bag, jhola is masculine and postposition is following bag, jhola. Ladki ka jhola. And now ka, ki, ke as possessive postposition. Boy's name. Ladke ka naam. So ladka is masculine noun and it is preceding a postposition. Now ladka will become ladke. Rani's houses. Houses are in plural form, so Rani ke ghar. Raj's book. Raj ki kitab. Now here are some pair or sets of compound postposition of ka, ki, ke. For, ke liye. Nearby in the possession of ke paas. Before, ke pehle. After, ke baad. On the top of, above, ke upar. Under, beneath, below, ke niche. About, ke bare mein. Towards, in the direction of, ki or ya ki taraf. In front of, ke samne. Behind, ke पीछे. By means of के द्वारा या के जरिए. In the opinion of, के विचार में या के ख्याल में. Next to, के बगल में. During to, के दौरान. In spite of, के बावजूद. Against, के विरुद्ध, के खिलाफ. Without, के बिना या के बगैर. Ahead of, के आगे. Along with, together with, के साथ. because of, on account of, के कारण या की वजह से या के बायस, near के नजदीक, according to के अनुसार या के मुताबिक, apart from के अलावा, instead of के बजाय, in connection with के सिलसिले में, across, on the other side of, के पार. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more Hindi Urdu lesson, Hindi Urdu learning station. Thank you.